Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of address shipping not showing on the application of Hacoo app. You will click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find Hacoo app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. Then you can know how to fix the problem of other shipping not showing on Hacoo app. So please don't forget